Hi, I'm Brett from the New Wheel in San Francisco and Marin, and this is the Riese Müller Tinker. The Tinker is a unique bike in that it is a premium compact bike. By premium, what I mean is that all the components are elevated and thought through from the perspective of what is going to make the most high performance, the most comfortable, the most durable bike possible. And it's really just a whole lot of fun to ride. What Riese and Müller did is they first started off building a really stiff frame that has no lateral play. On top of that, they've added suspension. It has a front suspension fork that, paired with balloon tires, means this bike can roll over things and you can feel comfortable even at top speeds. In addition to the front suspension, there's an optional thudbuster rear suspension, which will give you even more comfort. The handlebar and stem is able to move up and down and also pitch forward and back. And what it does is it allows you to really dial the bike into your riding preferences, but also share the bike. And with a 20-inch bike like this is a readily shareable bike among a wide range of rider heights, anywhere from 6'4" all the way down to 5 feet. Like all Riese and Müller bikes, the Tinker is made for you in Germany. What this means is there's a lot of different options that you can choose from. So you can get the Tinker as a high-speed model, so it's a one-of-a-kind, compact, high-speed bike that can go up to 28 miles per hour. You can get it with a belt drive. And so this bike here is set up with a carbon belt drive and a New Vinci continuously variable transmission. Another option is color. So this comes in 3 really distinct, beautiful colors. There's this bright orange, which is really nice high visibility and really striking in person. There's an azure blue color, which is also very bright. And then there's a matte black. Being a premium e-bike, all of the components are top end. The lighting system is from Supernova, the front lights, super bright, wide beam. Rear lighting is from Herman's. It has hydraulic disc brakes, so incredible stopping power, especially with the 20-inch wheels. Top quality Big Bend Plus tires with an extra puncture-proof belt. The Tinker also comes with fenders, a rear rack, which can fit a full-size pannier, straps, and a kickstand. The bike also comes with an Abyss Cafe lock. So this is a really convenient lock if you're going to be sitting with your bike or as an added level of security. The really cool thing about the Tinker is that it really isn't a bike for one type of person. It's a bike that a wide range of people can appreciate for widely different reasons. On the one end, you have someone who wants a really compact, nimble bike for city living, narrow bars, really get it in and out of places, be able to carry it up into your apartment and tuck it away. On the other hand, you have a bike that really is appealing to maybe even a more novice rider, someone who wants something really comfortable, a little bit less aggressive with an upright ride position and a less intimidating frame size. So if any of those things sound interesting to you, I'd highly encourage you to come in for a test ride. We have the Tinker to try in our San Francisco store, and you can take it up the steepest hills in San Francisco and just see what a small wheel bike with a big engine is going to do for you.